climbing. 960 RPM. It's still climbing. We're at 160 volts, 13.1 into the battery, at 1.9 amps, and 15.5 into the batteries. Steadily climbing, so the way it progressively fires, it'll just keep climbing as long as there's no load on it. Obviously, we're going to put a load on it. I want to see if it'll hit 1,000. And at 160 volts in and 1.9 amps, ready to be 2 amps. We got 13 into the battery, 13 volts at 15.6 amps. And 975. You can see it just keeps climbing. The cart motor does the same thing. It'll continue to climb. It kind of smooths out and starts climbing slower once it gets up around 1,000. So this one seems to be doing it a little less. Of course, the magnets are only 1 inch wide and probably not as strong as the cart motor. Cart motor, they're 2 inches wide. See, it's starting to slow down a little bit, but the voltage is still up. Looks like it 15 amps, almost 16 amps, and we're right at jumping between 2 amps and 1.9 amps. So we're steady at 160 volts. That's what the chips are rated at, so I really don't want to go higher than that. If I use 250 volt chips, I'm sure I could get this going a lot faster, but it's more about torque than it is speed, so. I'm jumping around a little bit there. I'm going to call it here. It's let's say 976 RPM, and for a wheel that size, that's pretty good. I mean, you got to consider that wheel is, here's the dimensions, so you got to consider, you know, the size of the wheel. The magnets should actually be 2 inches. I might even do that. I might make the wheel thicker, apply more weight to the wheel, more momentum, and put 2-inch magnets on it. It's set up for 2-inch magnets, the coils are, so I just wanted to give you guys that speed test there and show you what exactly is going on. There's 16 amps into the batteries. Yeah, it seems to top out. Now you got to realize these bearings are not really super good bearings. You know, if I had liquid bearings on there, I think that would make a difference too. But just a quick look. I know I said I'd give you guys a speed check today. So before I get started working here, I wanted to do that. So it looks like, let's just call it 970 RPM, give or take 5 or 10 RPM. So that's where it is, guys. Thanks for watching.